This video will demonstrate how to take an exam using the new RPNow Student LTI tool. The tool makes it easy to access your remote proctored exam directly from your university's course management system. First, log into your course management system and locate your course. You will then need to click on your Student LTI tool. In most courses, the link will be clearly labeled and will be located in the left navigation pane, but your instructor can post this anywhere. If you cannot locate the Student LTI tool, contact your instructor. You will then be given a list of available exams for this course. Select the exam you will be taking and choose Take this exam. Ensure that your name, email, and username are correct. You can copy this information to save time later by clicking the orange box. You will then be prompted to confirm the course and exam you've selected before proceeding. You will be taken to the RPNow installation page where you will choose Download Software. You will need to do this every time you take an RPNow exam. Locate your download, then save and run the program. You will then be given the RPNow instructions page. Please be sure to read through this carefully. Please remember, if you need any assistance while using RPNow, you can always click the Contact Support button at the top right of the screen and get assistance. The system will automatically start a microphone check. You will need to speak out loud in order to pass. After passing the microphone check, click Continue. Type your email or click the green button to paste your email if you clicked the orange button to copy previously and select Take My Exam. Confirm the exam you are taking and select Next. You can also change your selection by choosing Search for another exam. If you receive a User Not Found message, first ensure that your email is correct and try again. If this does not work, click Manual Entry. Choose your course and exam from the drop-downs and enter your name, email, and telephone number. It's important to note that the name that you provide us must match the name that is listed on your photo ID exactly. The RPNow user agreement and advisory will then launch. Please read through these prompts carefully as they explain the rules for the exam. RPNow will then close any prohibited programs that are running. You will then be prompted to take a picture of your photo ID. If the picture is unclear, you are able to retake the photo. Make sure we can see your picture and that the name on the ID is readable. When you can confirm this, check the box below, then click Confirm ID Photo. Next, you'll need to complete a room scan. Click Start Room Scan and move your web camera to show us your desk area, floor, and the walls around you. Make sure you pan the entire area. Once the scan is submitted, you'll have to review the entire video before you can check the box and confirm the scan. Again, you always have the option to retake this video. You will then be prompted to take a clear user photo to compare with your photo ID. Once this is completed, you will have 10 minutes to start the exam. Log into your course management system, then load the course. Do not click on the Student LTI tool again, as you've already completed this step. Instead, you should locate your exam within your course. Once you've selected your exam, you will be prompted for a password. You will not be told in advance what the password is. Click the Insert Exam Password button at the top of the window to populate the password. You can then click Submit and take the exam. After finishing the exam, click the button to save and submit your answers. It's important to note that RPNow will continue to record after you've submitted your answers until you select Close and confirm you'd like to end the exam. Thank you for watching our tutorial and good luck on your exams.